Welcome back everyone. Today we're comparing two leading finance apps, Copilot Money and YNAB. If you're aiming to take control of your finances, stay tuned as we break down their key features. Both Copilot Money and YNAB offer unique approaches to budgeting and financial management. Copilot specifically is a personal finance app that leverages artificial intelligence to help users understand their spending patterns and improve financial management. It provides detailed reports and visual overviews of your finances, making it easier to monitor and control expenses. YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget, promotes a proactive approach to budgeting, encouraging users to assign every dollar to a specific category. This hands-on method fosters active financial management and responsibility. The key features for Copilot Money are AI-driven insights. It utilizes artificial intelligence to analyze spending habits and provide personalized recommendation. Copilot Money automatically categorizes transactions and tracks bills, reducing manual effort. And lastly, offers automatic updates on investment data, allowing users to track their portfolios seamlessly. YNAB encourages users to allocate every dollar to a purpose, ensuring intentional spending. It provides debt management tools as well and offers tutorials and workshops to educate users on effective budgeting practices. In terms of user experience and accessibility, Copilot Money is designed with an intuitive layout, making it easy for users to navigate and understand their finances. It is currently available exclusively for iOS users, limiting access for those on other platforms. YNAB may require more time to master due to its comprehensive budgeting approach. However, when it comes to platform availability, it's accessible online through mobile apps, making it available to a broader audience. In summary, Copilot Money offers an AI-driven automated experience ideal for users seeking personalized insights and ease of use, only for iOS unfortunately. YNAB, on the other hand, provides a hands-on zero-based budgeting system suitable for those willing to engage deeply with their finances and seeking robust debt management tools. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel.